Welcome to week 25 of Where Am I Investing? Over the last 24 weeks, I have consistently invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focused 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Since I invested in these funds, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 16%, Bandhan Small Cap Fund is down 5%, HDFC Focused 30 Fund is up 6%, and Parag Flexi Cap Fund is up 4%. My overall portfolio has a negative CAGR of 22% and absolute returns are down 8%. For context, Sensex has dropped 4% since I started this journey back on October 14, 2024. Despite the portfolio being in red, I am staying disciplined. This week, I have once again invested in HDFC Focus 30 Fund and kept the investment amount same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I have invested 1000 rupees again this week. But why HDFC Focus 30 Fund? That's because this fund invests in a concentrated portfolio of just 30 high conviction stocks, allowing each pick to potentially make a meaningful impact on the returns. In tough markets, quality companies with strong fundamentals tend to recover faster, and this fund is built around such companies. Current market corrections have made some strong businesses available at attractive prices. I am using this opportunity to accumulate more. If you appreciate real investing journeys, smash that like button. Drop a comment and tell me where do you think the market is headed from here. Share this video with a friend who needs to see the truth behind long-term investing. And most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss next week's update. Thank you so much for tuning into week 25 of Where Am I Investing? I'll catch you next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This channel is the documentation of my personal investment journey, meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research or consult a professional before making any financial decisions.